Bharati Vidyapit's College of Engineering, Kolhapur. Maharashtra is the progressive state of India in almost every sector, especially in education. The state has marched on the path carved by great reformists like Mahatma Phule, Rajarshi Shahu Maharaj, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and Karmavir Bhaurao Patil. Due to the efforts taken by these people, students from very poor social and economic background were channelized into the stream of education. Late Dr. Patangrauji Kadam was one of them. In spite of being from the middle-class farmers' family of Sonsar from Sangli district, he was highly aspired for education. He had an opportunity to learn under the guardianship of the legendary education activist Karmavir Bhaurao Patil. During this time, he committed himself to work for educational transformation of the state. With this conviction, late Dr. Patangrauji Kadam established the Bharati Vidyapit in 1964 at the age of 20 years only. Social transformation through dynamic education is the motto of Bharati Vidyapit. And during last more than 50 years, this institute has proved and established itself as one of the finest and premier professional institutes of Maharashtra. Bharati Vidyapit's College of Engineering Kolhapur is no exception to the legacy and motto of institute. Bharati Vidyapit's College of Engineering Kolhapur is accredited by NAAC with A grade, established in 2001 on the landscape near Chitranagari of Kolhapur. The institute has not left any deficiency to creating conducive learning environment for students to enhance their creative skills, utilize their potential in becoming a capable engineer. Under the able leadership of Principal Dr. V.R. Ghorpade, Bharati Vidyapit's College of Engineering Kolhapur is constantly marching towards excellence. Facilities. The college has very excellent infrastructure facilities along with the dedicated lease line for internet and free Wi-Fi enabled campus. It has very well equipped laboratories, workshop, classrooms and tutorial rooms. The hostel facilities of boys is available with 24 hours electricity and water facility. The auditorium with 300 seating capacity is another highlight of the college. The administrative and support staff has maintained very cordial relationship with students, extending helping hands throughout the stay on the campus. Courses. The college currently runs 4 courses of engineering, namely Mechanical Engineering, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, and Civil Engineering. The Mechanical Engineering Department. The college has established a very well versed dialogue with the industries and is very well aware about the requirements. Naturally, it has focused on creating skilled technocrats needed by the industry. The mechanical engineering branches carries out research-oriented projects by maintaining constant interaction with research organizations and industries. The department has signed MOUs with various industries for training, consultancy, sponsorship to project and visits, thus creating platforms for the students. To encourage and enhance the leadership qualities of the students, the Student Development Cell of the department is keen about organizing social guest lectures, technical events, seminars and workshops.
Hi, I'm Sonali. The best experience I had is the bond between faculty and student. Apart from the academics, we share a family-like environment.
Hi, I'm Sahil. Our college has a spacious campus. It has provided us many facilities like central library, auditorium, reading room, Wi-Fi and workshop and many other things.
Hello, I'm Pranal. Mechanical department has arranged various industrial visits to multinational companies, which has helped me to learn new technologies.
Hi, I am Prasad. All designing softwares like AutoCAD, ANSYS, CATIA are installed in our lab, and many industrial expertise lectures and workshops are arranged in our department.
The Computer Science and Engineering Department. Established in the year 2001, the Department of Computer Science and Engineering has very well qualified, devoted and dynamic team of faculty. A vibrant teaching learning ambience is maintained in the department through seminars, industry institute interaction, etc. The department has focused on developing leadership qualities among students by getting them into hands-on experience. It has maintained very powerful institute-industry interaction by arranging study tours, industrial visits and also seminars of industry experts on advanced aspects and opportunities. The Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department. Experienced and professionally qualified faculty with innovative approach towards giving creative solutions to the students is the strength of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department of the college. By keeping up with the student-centric approach, the department has established very well industry institute interaction by arranging study tours, industrial visits and seminars of industry experts. The hands-on practical is a keyword here, so the department has established the state-of-the-art laboratories. Electronics and Telecommunication Students Association helps students for personality development and builds confidence in them. The Civil Engineering Department. The Civil Engineering Department was established in the year 2011-12, being the youngest department of the college. Since its establishment, it has nurtured young minds to produce bright, able civil professionals. The department has expertise in almost entire spectrum of civil engineering. The department works on the vision to establish a knowledge capital in civil engineering to encourage students to be entrepreneurs for betterment of society. The faculty and students of this department are very active in the field of research related to lightweight concrete, which is thrust area of civil engineering. Along with the research activities, Civil Department is very enthusiastic to conduct workshops, seminars, skill development program, which engraves students' abilities.
Hi, I'm Kunal.
I'm Anupama.
Myself Moise.
We are studying in last year of Civil Department. In Civil Department, we have highly qualified and very cooperative staff and faculty members. In our department, students are introduced and encouraged to learn softwares like AutoCAD, QGIS, WaterGIS, and StatCAD. And also we have very equipped laboratories and calibrating instruments.
Along with academics, our civil department also focuses on all-round development of the students. Students are encouraged to participate in sports, cultural, NSS camp, and meditation programs, which make students socially aware and morally strong.
Every year, our department organizes an entrepreneurship development cell, which gives us confidence and teaches some basic non-technical skills. A faculty member guides us for GATE and various other competitive examinations. So we are obliged to be participating.
Library. A well-equipped state-of-the-art library housed in 1,160.40 square meter is a unique feature of the college. Being keen on developing a reading culture amongst the students, the college is continuously increasing the stock of books and journals. Currently, the library hosts 23,629 books, 4,972 books, titles and 1,743 reference books, along with 207 IEEE and 275 Elsevier Science Direct journals, 14 periodicals, 36 national journals and 11 newspapers. The facilities like digital library section, the book bank facility for SC/ST students, the IIT video lecture series under national program on technology enhanced learning and special reading section with 600 seating capacity are also developed. Socio-cultural activities. The college authorities are very much keen about the overall personality development of the future youth contributors of India. Hence, They are encouraged to participate in exhibitions, tech fests, and other various extracurricular activities and competitions. Students are encouraged to organize various kinds of socio-cultural activities which help them to explore their own self-instinct.
My name is Anuja Mane. I am a part of Bharati Vidyapit's cultural team last 4 years. During this entire journey, I had been awarded as Best Actress Awards twice, and also this has inculcated a lot of confidence, stage daring, which will help me in my future life. Thank you.
Even students are encouraged to keep up with their physical fitness. That is why the college has developed the well-equipped gym and indoor games facilities, along with the ground for the outdoor games. Placement. The college has excellent placement record since its establishment. It has dedicated team of trainers and coordinators who conducts regular expert lectures on career advancement and guidance for FE to BE students. The regular interactive sessions are organized with the industry experts on advanced technologies in engineering. The college conducts regular training sessions on the soft skills, aptitude, group discussion for SC to BE students. Also, MOUs are signed with reputed industries for offering sponsored projects and for campus placement. Through these consistent efforts, our students are recruited by the legendary engineering companies like Persistent, Infosys, HP, TCS, L&T Infotech, Amazon India, Syntel, Capgemini, E-Yantra, Parametrics, E-Zest, Johnson Controls, etc. Thus, Bharati Vidyapit's College of Engineering Kolhapur is contributing in the professional engineering educational development of the Kolhapur region. With an impeccable pace, started in the first year of 21st century, the college has kept and proved its promises to go miles for the centuries to come with the motto, social transformation through dynamic education.